Today we are making authentic Goan cucumber bakri, a traditional recipe that's simple, wholesome and full of memories. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. We'll begin by soaking 1/3 cup of poha in water. Next we will peel one big cucumber. Now we will grate the cucumber in a bowl. Add 1 cup of semolina. Drain out the water from the poha and add the poha to this bowl. Now we will mix this well. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, hype, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. We will cover this bowl with a plate and keep aside for 20 minutes. The semolina has soaked well. Now we will give this a mix. Add salt. Mix it. Next goes in half cup of grated coconut. 3 tablespoons of chopped sugarcane jaggery. Mix this well. Then place a tawa on low flame. Apply clarified butter on it. Take a portion of the mixture, place on the tawa, spread it like this. Cover and let it cook. Once one side is cooked, apply clarified butter on top and flip it to cook the other side also. Press at the edges. Cover and let it cook. I made 3 cucumber bakris with this recipe. It took me total 10 minutes to cook each bakri. And our traditional Goan cucumber bakri is ready. Beautifully golden on the outside, soft and moist on the inside, with the rich flavor of coconut and the perfect sweetness from jaggery. Every bite is warm and comforting. Enjoy it warm. One bite and you'll understand why this recipe has remained a family favorite for generations. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.